So I'm about to do something extremely special for the next 20 people that sign up for my pre-litigation credit repair. Now, what you have to do is you have to promise me that you will leave me a video review that I can post on my YouTube channel based on your results. Meaning, if I don't get your results, I still want you to post that video. I want more review videos, and a lot of people that sign up for my services, when I'm done, they don't want to do the review videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to knock $100 off the processing fee. So instead of paying $199.99, you will pay $99.99. Now, you must be able to get at least one of your annual credit reports. That is required because we can't sue the credit bureaus or the creditors without the annual credit reports. All you got to do to get started is click on the link in the description. I will also leave that link in the comments as well. When you sign up, I will set that pricing to $99.99. I want to help 20 people, so this is going to save you all a lot of money. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope you have a great night.